What's the meaning of begin? Begin. Begin.
Begin. Begin. The word begin means to start or initiate something. It can refer to the starting point of a process, activity, or event. The act of beginning can be a crucial moment in any endeavor as it sets the tone for what is to come. Beginning can involve taking the first step, making the first move, or launching a new project or venture. It can also connote a sense of excitement and anticipation, as well as uncertainty and risk. Overall, begin is a versatile and dynamic word that carries with it the potential to shape and define the future.